With these new labs that TSC has built, we will help bridge that gap and train the future workforce of our region.
I want to welcome you. I hope you enjoy the tour. Exciting things are happening, and a lot has to do with the TSC family.
This facility is going to provide what we need in our industry, which is that pipeline professionals coming into our industry. And we are so excited and have been grateful to be a part of it.
This is an amazing facility. You have training that, from what I see, is going to be the best there is. It's going to have people going to work the day they finish the training.
90% of our officers have been to this academy. The intelligence coming out of this academy is incredible. The simulators, I can't say enough about them.
The future of our city is bright, and through our collaboration of entities and through everything that's happening at Texas Southmost College, I'm even more certain of that.
Exactly what TSC has put into place here right now, fantastic for our area. I'm confident that these jobs that they're training for are going to be in really high demand. I think it's all going to be very, very successful for our region.
We need skilled craft workers, and they're not available out there. The RGB is doing a great job in TSC, building right here.